Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. Back here on the floor pans. Um, so I spent the day removing more metal, more rusty metal. Got everything cut out to, this is where the new panel will butt up against. I'll have to make a piece for here. Of course, the other panel goes in here. I got all the floor braces, all the spot welds and old metal ground off. Got them rust treated. That's actually drying. Be ready to go in the morning. Same here. Everything's coated. So I got the first section. I cut the width I wanted for this side, and then I punched holes for spot welds. You can kind of see there what I did. Is that all ready to go? Going to do that panel and of course the toe board and the back panel. The Fitzy method, Fitzy fabrications. What do you call it? The cut and butt. So I'll lay it in tomorrow and I'll screw it down with a couple screws because I got to go in from the underside and trace out all my cross members. That way I can pull it back up and drill. I'll use the unibit and drill holes where I'll be able to spot weld it down to the cross members. And then when it's all ready to go in, right before I do that, I'll lay down some weld through primer over the top of this rust sealer. On all these braces, I'll put a couple of self-tappers in the panel to hold it down and start welding. I'll get this side will be all spot welded in, and then I'll work my way this way across the floor braces, and then I'll just start along here and I'll push the panel in tight and then cut along the transmission tunnel there, which most of that is pretty rusty, so by the time I get everything cut out, I'll be back in a good steel again. And the nice part is that way when I cut it, both the metal panel for the floor pan and this piece over here, basically what I'm saying is you want your you want as minimal gap as possible for when you tack weld it together, and it just makes for cleaner welds and easier and all that. So yeah, this side definitely a lot worse than the other side. It took a lot more time to peel all that nasty metal off of all these floor braces, get all the old spot welds and everything ground smooth, and then I had to wire wheel everything, get up all the big rust chunks. I did get into here, and I got this piece right along here cut out. I'll go ahead and lay the floor pan down because the floor pan's kind of the reference guide for that. And then I'll make a pattern out of cardboard, cut another piece of steel and lay it in there. And yeah, so it's coming along. Progress is progress. But yeah, I wish this was as simple as just laying in the panels and just, you know, welding them in, not a big deal. But old car, always find something else wrong. But anyway, guys, I'm tired. Doing this stuff is really dirty and dusty, and you know you can't sit there on a stool and do it. So I end up bent over, and my back hurts now. But I'm tired, and it's done as far as I'm going to get today till that rust sealer. And when I say rust sealer, think like POR 15s. It's a similar product. I've showed it before in other videos. But once that's dry tomorrow, we'll proceed. So, anyway, guys, just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Like, share, comment, all the good stuff. Questions, put them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And, yeah. So, anyway, I'm out of here. Have a good night, and stay greasy, my friends.